Hey everyone, it's Helga. In today's video, we're making these super aesthetic mini beaded cherries. They're perfect as charms, pendants, or even little keychains. For these cherries, I'm using 4mm glass rondelle beads in red and green. You'll also need some 0.25mm clear fishing line. Go ahead and cut about 28 inches of your line to get started. First, string 4 red beads and cross the other end of the line through the last bead to form a loop. Pull it tight so it's right in the center of your line. Now, add 2 red beads to one side and 1 red bead to the other. Take the side with the single bead and cross it through the last bead on the opposite side. We're going to repeat that one more time. Next, add 1 red bead to each side and join them by crossing through the bead from our very first cross. And just like that, our first cherry is done. Now just weave your line through 3 beads to secure everything. Slide 2 green beads onto both ends of the line at the same time. For the leaf, string 6 green beads onto one side and then loop that same line back through the first green bead you just added. We're halfway there, guys. On the upper line, add another 6 green beads and loop that line back down into the very first green bead. Then, slide 2 more green beads onto both lines together. Time for the second cherry. Add 3 red beads to one side and 1 to the other, crossing through the single bead. Then add 2 red beads to one side and 1 to the other, crossing again. Repeat that step one more time. To finish it off, add 1 red bead to each side and join it to the first bead of this cherry, just like we did before. Weave your line through 3 beads and secure it with a hidden loop knot inside a bead. I usually do this twice just to be extra safe. Snip off the excess line, and your mini cherries are ready to go. I hope yours turned out just as cute as these. See ya in the next one.